Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to put people on Mars. Okay, so this video is putting the creating a picture, a photo from several photos. So in this one we're going to put 3 photos together using the PIXLR app. So you should be here, pixel editor. So we create a new image. We're putting the background picture in. We're going to name this one People on Mars. So, okay. Right, we're going to go to image and place, let's say we're putting a picture. Open images layer. So I'm going to look for people. We put Mars. I'm looking for the picture Mars. So Mars, I just got to look up Mars. Here's Mars picture. I'm going to put it in. So that's my background. I'll always make sure that I change the background. Oh, sorry, the background is this one. We're going to get rid of that, put it in the rubbish bin because we don't need that. You just want the picture of Mars. So just white background, get rid of that, put it in the rubbish bin. No, okay, that's all right. So we're going to make this Mars. Always change the name by double clicking on it because it's important so that you can change it. Now I'm going to put the go to image next, layer, because we're going to put the second image on top of the Mars layer. So open images layer, we're going to put the planet. Okay, we just put the word planet. I've screenshot these photos earlier. Open. And I'm going to make this slightly smaller. Okay, so I'm going to make sure I go to edit and free transform so that I can change the size of this. I'm going to get the corner handle and make it smaller because we need to get this corner handle going like this. You press the 1 and you need the corner handle so that it has a size. Yeah, you need the corner handle because otherwise it's going to be a bit weird. The idea is to get our eraser now. Yes, we will transform it. We get the eraser to do it. So the opacity, I'm going to reduce the opacity so that it's not as harsh when I erase the background. So here it is. I'm going to push one finger and all the way on the edges like this so that my planet, my extra planet, looks like a moon, is going to be erased and it's going to float in space like that. Okay, so it's going to be nice. I'm going to make this opacity a bit even more so it's very, very thin all the way around this corona of the planet so that my planet is not harsh. Okay, so that's good. I like that. And then I'm going to put the people now. Just if only it was so much easier to put people on Mars, really. So I'm going to put another layer. Can you notice that there's the Mars layer and then there's the planet layer? So I'm going to double click on that and put the extra planet that's close. Enter. Yep. Now we're going to put an extra layer. So open images layer. We're going to put the people on top. So we're going to put people on Mars. So we got these beautiful girls on the planet Mars. Here we are. I think they're taking pictures again. We're going to open the edit and free transform that picture on top. Again, making it smaller so it's slightly in proportion. Yeah. And we're going to make that so they're slightly there. Yeah, and then we're gonna get our eraser to actually I'm going to put that here. And I'm going to put the planet, I'm going to select the planet, yes, first. I'm going to go make sure I'm selecting the planet and moving the planet. So here's the arrow and just moving the planet on this side. Yeah, so there's a bit of interest on this side. And here we're going to put the opacity of this. Hang on, you got to select the people, otherwise it's not going to be erased. So just erase the people background, otherwise it's not going to work. Yeah. So it's going to take a while for me to really refine it so it's done. And I'm going to turn off the video now. So I'm just getting you an idea of what it's going to look eventually. It looks like I've cut off the bits of the faces, but you can make this brush smaller. Yep. So to get rid of some of the spaces in the middle of the girls. So they look like it pretty much a little bit alien. Yeah, so I guess you can heal some of these things, but I'm in a hurry now, so I'm just going to take this and just move it slightly to a side here, and I have people on Mars. Okay, make this more, perhaps I'll make them a little slightly, go to edit to end, free transform them again, and just distort them slightly. And make them a little bit more weird by changing the adjustment and filter. Yes, first, yeah. And we're going to get the adjustments. I'll just use the curves because it's the easiest way and the fastest way to make them look weird. And polarize them a bit. Yeah, that's a good one to make them look alien looking. And now I'm going to screenshot the picture. New. So the people have evolved in this alien environment in a weird way. Yep. And save it. Let them people Mars. Okay, save. And here we have it. We have people on Mars. And that's the end of the video.